How to fix can't like videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where TikTok doesn't let you like any videos. So here is the thing. TikTok has a system that automatically detects unusual behavior. For example, if you go to someone's profiles and start rapidly liking multiple videos one after another, like this very frequently, then the TikTok might think that you are a bot. And that kind of fast activity seems unnatural to the platform. And here, if you end up liking too many videos too quickly, let's say 100 under the 5 minutes, TikTok algorithm might temporarily block your ability to like anything else. But don't worry, this isn't permanent. So usually this restriction lifts on its own after short period. So here you can wait 2 to 3 hours and try again. And in most cases that fixes it. But if it still doesn't work, it could mean that TikTok has imposed a 24-hour block on your liking activity. So again, all you need to do is wait it out. And now here, if you don't want to wait that long, there is a simple trick that you can try. You can just uninstall the app and reinstall it again, and doing this will refresh your app settings and it might solve the problem right away. But if it's still not working, there is another option which you can do is to switch different TikTok account. So if you have one, or you could even create a new account just to keep browsing and liking videos while your main account cools down. And that's it. Those are a few ways to fix the can't like videos issue on TikTok. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.